Ladies and gentlemen, time to take a trip down memory lane to bustling London, full of vibrant energy of the roaring 20s. This collection of the real, amazing photos illustrate everyday life of London, filled with culture and beautiful architecture of the 1920s. Every image has been colorized, enhanced and bustling with life. Hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Have an amazing time.
Frankly, I don't care where you've been, or whether I'll ever get there. Lately, I've heard all your news, and unfortunately, I just couldn't care. Well, you know, I'm a sucker for a tall tale, and all of you sure got me going. But at last you've given your game away. Now your true colors are showing, and oh, what colors they are. Are you listening, or did you get bored? Are you too busy at your computer purchasing clothes you can't afford? So it's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. I wish you all the luck you're so sure you'll never need. It's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. Maybe one day we will meet again. You said it's all ours for the taking, but that's just a phrase that you heard, recycling your means of expression, just a clumsy collection of words. You came thundering onto the scene, looking for someone with whom to collide, but you never quite knew what you wanted, did you? Was it really so hard to decide? So it's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. I wish you all the luck you're so sure you'll never need. It's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. Maybe one day we will meet again. Now granted, you had your successes, and you sure played a mean saxophone. You can talk just like a statesman, but you're thinking like a stone. And you've so much to say about people these days, and all that is right and is wrong. And your high horse is tired, he's limping. Don't you see you've been up there too long? So it's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. I wish you all the luck you're so sure you'll never need. It's goodbye, Marie. It's goodbye from me. Maybe one day we will meet again.
all roads led to Rome. But not all routes were built by Romans. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoy this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that you take your time to come watch. I love doing this for you. I wish you a wonderful day, sending you peace and love.